today we are going to learn vegetables names. Let's begin. Tomato, green chili, onion, cabbage, potato, ladyfinger, carrot, sweet potato, radish, bitter gourd, cauliflower, lemon, brinjal, beetroot, garlic. That's it for today, kids. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.